pretty much kind of a nature walk in the sky, kind of an aerial, magic carpet ride type of experience. Whenever you fly in a balloon, it's nice because you get a bird's eye view of the landscape and the environment, and of course the trees a lot of times look like broccoli, and when you fly down the rivers and creeks, a lot of times you see, wildlife. It's basically a very tranquil, natural experience flying in a balloon. It's a place that you can clear your mind and fly and take in, Mother Nature and take in the outdoors experience. And, for most people that have never done it before, they pretty much never forget it. It's a lifelong, lasting, lifelong experience.